In the heart of India, nestled along the banks of the holy river Sarayu, there lies a city steeped in history and mythology. Ayodhya, known to many as the birthplace of Lord Rama, a revered deity in Hinduism, this city's history spans millennia. Ayodhya's significance isn't limited to religious connotations alone, but extends to cultural and political spheres as well, playing a vital role in shaping the Indian subcontinent's narrative over centuries. At the epicenter of Ayodhya's historical and spiritual significance stands the Ram Mandir, a temple dedicated to Lord Rama. Its story is one that has weathered the sands of time, bearing witness to the rise and fall of empires, the evolution of cultures, and the fervor of faith. The saga of Ram Mandir begins in the ancient era, with references found in sacred Hindu texts like the Ramayana. It's believed that the original temple was built at the very site where Lord Rama was born. The temple's existence is recorded in various historical documents and travelogues of foreign travelers, indicating its prominence in the region. However, the temple's history took a tumultuous turn in the 16th century. During the rule of the Mughal Emperor Babur, the original Ram Mandir was demolished and a mosque, known as the Babri Masjid, was erected at the site. This event marked a significant shift in Ayodhya's cultural and religious landscape, leading to centuries of dispute and conflict between Hindu and Muslim communities. Fast forward to the 20th century, the Ram Mandir issue had become a focal point of communal politics in India. The Babri Masjid was demolished in 1992, leading to widespread communal violence across the country. The event marked a dark chapter in Ayodhya's history, highlighting the deep-seated religious divide in the country. After years of legal battles, in November 2019, the Supreme Court of India ruled in favor of the construction of a new Ram Mandir at the disputed site. The foundation stone was laid in August 2020, marking the beginning of a new chapter in the temple's history. The history of Ram Mandir is not merely a chronicle of a temple. It's a reflection of India's diverse cultural history, religious beliefs, political dynamics, and societal changes. The temple stands as a symbol of faith for millions, a testament to the power of belief and the resilience of tradition. Despite the tumultuous journey, the significance of Ram Mandir remains undiminished. It continues to be a beacon of faith, a symbol of cultural heritage, and a testament to the enduring spirit of Ayodhya and its people. As we step into the future, the Ram Mandir, with its rich past, stands tall, embodying the timeless tales of courage, faith, and resilience that continue to shape the cultural tapestry of India.